In this video, we have a truly intriguing topic, which will take us on a journey to moon and a truly struggle battle for a scientific recognition. Now let's dive into our captivating story. In 2009, two remarkable instruments on the Chandrayaan, which is NASA's M3 and ISRO's CHASE, made a groundbreaking discovery of water on the moon. It was a truly acknowledgeable moment for the humanity. But with this also raised a burning question. Who discovered it first? Many challenges and allegations aroused, casting doubt on CHASE's contribution. One of the major concerns was calibration. Calibration is a crucial step in scientific instrumentation, as it helps establish a baseline and determine accurate measurement. However, due to unique circumstances of the Chandrayaan mission, CHASE had limited calibration time. The lack of power interfacing between the mother spacecraft and the moon impact probe caused some complication, but the CHASE team had to make the best of the situation. So calibration became a hurdle that CHASE had to overcome. Another point of contention was outgassing. Outgassing refers to the release of gases or molecules trapped within the instrument during the construction on Earth. Skepticism arose as to whether CHASE may have detected earthly particles on the moon due to the insufficiency of gases. However, the CHASE team firmly rejected this notion and stated their instruments were carefully designed to minimize these effects. So now, the most devastating allegation against the CHASE was the issue of reported pressure. This was a significant setback for CHASE team. Initially, the reported pressure was abnormally high and made some scientists doubt the authenticity of this finding. However, it was eventually discovered that the RAM correction was necessary. The pressure recorded by CHASE needed adjustment due to the instrument's rapid descent. Once the correction was made, the data aligned with the expectations and CHASE discovery was confirmed. The CHASE team diligently pressured the recognition for their contribution. They reached out to the Science Journal and provided the detailed chronology of their findings and highlighting the importance of their discovery. After a careful consideration, the scientific community acknowledged CHASE's role. I found this story of ISRO fighting for its acknowledgement both inspiring and thought-provoking. It highlights the challenges faced by the scientists for the recognition of their role. It's a reminder that even in the pursuit of knowledge, we must navigate complex dynamics and the importance of fairness and accuracy.